Today we're making a no-bake Christmas cheesecake that doesn't require an oven or mixer. You'll find the exact ingredient measurements in the video description below. In a pot, combine butter and sugar, then wait for it to melt completely. Next, add a kilo of thick cottage cheese, 4 whole eggs, and mix it all together. Add milk and baking powder, then layer with spiced cookies. Spread some hot cheese mixture in the pan. I'm using a 20 by 30 centimeters tray for this. Add more cheese mix, spread evenly. Top with a final layer of spiced cookies. Reserve 4 spoons of cheese mix to spread on top. You can add any topping or decor. You could also put all the mix inside and top with chocolate. I used hazelnuts and chocolate sprinkles. Chill overnight in the fridge. Enjoy!